In this video, we have the F9 Earbuds for review, which is an affordable wireless budget TWS earbuds. The earbuds cost around 7,000 naira, which is approximately $6. Do you know the earbuds also comes with a portable built-in power bank? When you purchase the earbuds, you also get a small charging cable, 2 Bluetooth compatible earbuds, a charging case, and a user manual and extra ear tips. The F9 Earbuds also comes with a waterproof feature, but I did not test it. The earbuds support Bluetooth version 5.0 and a working distance of 10 meters with 2,200 battery capacity. F9 Earbuds takes around 1 to 2 hours to get full. Coming to the earbuds itself, it has a nice finishing with a fingerprint icon printed on it. I love the way the pins in the charging case was placed, which makes it very easy to charge. At the back of the charging case, you can either charge the case with the USB cable or charge your smartphone with a portable power bank. Remember to always charge the earbuds and charge the charging case before making use of it for the first time, as it was mentioned in the user manual. When the earbuds is charging in the case, it shows this red light, and when it's out of the charging case, it shows this blinking blue light, which indicates you can connect your device to it. Connecting the earbuds to the smartphone wasn't difficult. In order to make use of the earbuds, you need to bring them out from the case and place them well in your ears. Looking at the earbuds, it fits the ear properly without falling off. The earbuds can be used under rain due to its small design, which fits well in the ear and uses the ear as the raincoat. Coming to the sound quality, the earbuds gives a quality sound when listening to music and can also be used in receiving calls. I tried receiving calls with few of my friends and they enjoyed quality. I also made use of the earbuds in a Zoom meeting and they were able to hear me properly. It also comes with a noise reduction and it was able to reduce background noise very well. In the user manual, you get a guide showing how to operate the earbuds, which is pretty straightforward. Tell me what your thoughts about the F9 earbuds in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out other video reviews on this channel.